Hi everyone, this is Meet, and today's list is a little unique. It's about the top seven ajushis of Korean dramas. I know not a lot of people are interested in the ajushis or these characters, the father figures, the uncles in Korean dramas. But I just thought that we keep seeing them again and again, so maybe we should be able to identify them. And because we've seen this guy somewhere, and then we don't know where he's from. I mean, we don't know their name. The first one on this list is Kim Won Hye. Now, Kim Won Hye is 51 years old. He's done more than 20 films and around 35 dramas. He appeared in a double role in Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. He appeared as a criminal in Criminal Minds. He also played a main role in While You Were Sleeping and Chocolate and Melting Me Softly. You get to see him in a lot of dramas. He's a very good actor who's done a lot of cameo roles as well. He's a very versatile actor who has very good acting skills. I never realized that he was this good of an actor. Once you start watching him in more and more dramas, you'll kind of realize that, his level is something different. The second Ajushi on this list is Sang Dong-il. Now, Sang Dong-il is an actor who's famous for being in the Reply series and Prison Playbook. He's 56 years old. He's done more than 30 films and around 30 dramas and ongoing. He's an actor who has more of a fatherly vibe, a very sarcastic vibe, and the typical comic Ajushi moments. He can also play a villainous role like he did in Legend of the Blue Sea. There's just a lot of difference between the acting of these veteran actors, obviously, because of their experience, but they are excellent actors. There's something special about watching them on screen. Their screen presence is so strong. When it's their time on the screen, they just shine. They're just there, like, you won't forget their dialogues. You'll remember how they acted. You'll remember their scenes. You'll remember their evil, creepy smiles, all of that. The third actor on this list is Choi Won Young. Now, Choi Won Young is not a very Ajushi character because he's just played the lead role in a very recent drama, that is My Dangerous Wife. He's 44 years old. He's done more than 10 films and around 30 dramas. The most recent one being My Dangerous Wife, which was in a lead role. He's done villainous roles. He's played a father. He's played the secretary a lot of times. He's also played a chef. He makes a very good evil face. So I think he's best suited for villainous roles. He was a scene stealer in Mystic Pop Up Bar. I would consider him an upcoming star, and we can expect a lot more from him. The fourth actor on this list is Johan Chul. Now, Johan Chul is 47 years old. He's done more than 20 films and around 20 dramas. He mostly plays a bespectacled person who's really desperate. He can play an evil role equally well. He has played quite a bit of pitiable, desperate characters, like in My Beautiful Bride. He's also played a fatherly figure. He has appeared in a lot of recent dramas like Memorist, Tomorrow with You, 100 Days, My Friends, etc. The fifth actor on this list is Woo Yun. He is 56 years old. He's appeared in 20 dramas and around 5 films. He's appeared in dramas like Healer, Reply 1988, Beautiful Gongshim, and Innocent Defender, and My ID is Gangnam Beauty. In most of his roles, he plays a really loving and caring fatherly figure who's not able to express himself openly. So he ends up coming across as a person who's really strict or a person who's very shy. The sixth actor on this list is Jung Hae-kyun. He's 52 years old. He's done more than 10 films and more than 10 dramas. Jung Hae-kyun has appeared in a lot of dramas where he can come across as a villain. He can also come across as a very loving father. He has appeared in dramas like Save Me, Kill It, Signal, Two Cops, in movies like Confessions of Murder. He tends to play a poor peasant man in historical dramas. But this is one actor who doesn't shy away from tough roles, challenging roles. He is a very good actor, and it's a joy to watch him on screen, even in creepy evil roles. Okay, the seventh actor on this list is Yoo Jae-myung. Now, this actor is 47 years old. He's done more than 30 films and more than 20 dramas. Most recently, he appeared in Itaewon Class. He has also appeared in Strong Woman Do Bong Soon, Life, then Don't Dare to Dream, and Prison Playbook. If you really want to know what sort of an actor he is, you should watch him in Itaewon Class. He's a brilliant actor, and you will definitely enjoy watching him, regardless of the characters that he plays. There are a lot of other older Korean drama actors who are really, really good at being the star of the show. They often carry the show on its shoulders, guiding the younger actors and giving us a glimpse into what is very disciplined acting. So that's all for this list, and I'll see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.